Register on Rules and Strategies website. It's very easy and you have a lot of benefits. And now I'm going to show you why to do it and how to do it. So without further ado, let's start. In order to see the registration page, you can click here, create new account. I am in the first page of the site. Or additionally, if you have already an account, you can add here your username and your password. In addition to that, you can go to the blog and after that click in the first icon here, become a member. Then you can see an article and it's very easy to click here, give me access. If you click this button, then you can see the registration page. If you are already a member, you can add your files here, your records, or you can scroll down, and if you are new, completely new, you can add some information about you here. If you can see a red star, it means that this field is required and you should add it. Now I'm going to add my personal information. After that, you can go down and click this privacy policy and accept the terms and conditions, and of course click here in order to give the security code. And now you should select the bicycles. I'll click it, and after that I process the subscription, and now I am subscribed here and everything is totally fine. And if I go on the first page, I'll click login and I am in. I'm a new member and you can see here my name. When you log in, you can see here a new profile menu item. I'll show you in a minute what is this, but if you scroll down, we have a little problem and the website didn't track correctly your city and country. For that reason, you should add it again, please. I'm sorry about that. I'll try to fix it in the future, but right now we need to add it. So it's easy. If you like, you can say something about you, but it's not required. So please add this information. And now you can see the new file, the new menu item profile. If you click there, you can see the new article, and here I had organized a lot of things for you, and you can see them here in the left side, or you can go in the menu in the right side, and after that you can click my classes. And here we don't see any class yet. For that reason, we can start a class, and you can see a lot of things in this new article, new category. I created some of them and I'm working on some others, and you can see a lot of them. Some of them are Greek, I cannot separate them, but of course you can follow the English things. And here you can see the free lessons. If you go there, you can see the free mini course that I prepared for you, and of course you can start this class right away. You can move forward and backward with these menu items. It's very easy for you, and you can see of course the first lesson. You can see the first lesson on the website, and for that reason there is no need to download it on your computers, and you can avoid a lot of troubles. And you can see the videos if you have a computer, Mac, Windows, everything. You can see them from here. You can click and you can see the videos that I already created for you. So let's go back to the profile now, and if we go there and again on my classes, now you can see that you already start learning this class, and here you can see your process. For that reason, you know where you are. If we click again here on this then we can see the files and everything that is inside these lessons. And of course it's very important to see if you had seen something, if you had already studied a lesson or not. For that reason, if you make a pause, if you see some videos in one day, then you can pause and see the rest of the videos in next day or in the next week. And with this nice feature, you know where you are, and you can continue from the videos that you didn't study already. If you go here on profile, you can see next the tests. Here I created some tests for you, and you can find this test on trainer category. And if you go there and after that on puzzles, you can see here different puzzles, and the idea from them is to understand where you are and track a little bit your rating, your strength in chess. And if you are not a member, then you cannot see the remaining tests, but only general chess knowledge. But if you are registered on my website, you can see this, many of them. I'll create more of them. And here you can see the first test. It has 10 questions, and you can click the start button and start answering the questions from here. For example, in how many different squares the bishop can move, and you can select here something and click next. So let's go back to the profile, and I'd like to show you what else we have. After the test we can see my certificates. Of course we give some certificates in rule chess strategies. However, in order to get one, you should complete a training program. Here you can see what we have again. You can see a lot of training programs, and let's go again on free lessons. If you go here on free lessons and this mini course Learn, Play, Win, you should continue the class and see all of the lessons. For example, I'll continue see the lessons. You can see everything here, study the lesson, keep some notes and everything, and I'll pass them all. And now we have an exams, of course, because after the theoretical lesson it's important to see some exams and see if you have understand everything correctly. It requires 70% in order to pass this test. Everything is English and I'll correct everything. And now if you move forward, then your opinion is important. It's very important for me to know your opinion and your thoughts about the lessons. You're very welcome to send me a message and tell me your opinion. Of course, I'll ask you here if you wrote something good. I'd like to publish it on the website, and you can click yes or no if you allowed me to publish it. And of course, I respect your replies. And last but not least, you can see then the puzzles. I'll show you previously how to go to the puzzles on trainer and see the puzzles. Now I completely seen all these lessons, and if I go again on my profile and my certificates, here you can see now in this new page that we have a certificate from this Learn, Play, Win. We can see the date that we passed it, and you can download this file on your computer. And if you manage to make it, please accept my congratulations. After that you can see the usefuls, but I'll show you what does it means. Here if you go on school you can see a free ebook. Again you can see it on lessons, and here again you can see this free ebook. If you click it, you can download this improvement in chess. I created an ebook for you. If you click here and download, then you should accept this one, and after that add your email. Now I'm a subscriber, for that reason he sent me that on my email. You have to add this on your email, and if you go on your email, check your spam box and your main mail. However, if you have some problems how to see it, then you can go again on my profile and then on usefuls, and here you can see improvement in chess. If you click that one, you can see now the PDF file. It's online and upload it on my website, and you can see it from here. And similarly, if you like, you can download it directly to your computer. This is an additional options, and you can renew your membership on. You can see your profile, and here you can add your files, change something if you like. You can see the subscribe newbie 500. This is the membership plan that you already have, and this is for lifetime, and you can see your history here. Everything, I hope that everything is clear. This new, if you like to see this new menu item, you need to subscribe in the website. I think it's very easy, and here I'll show you everything that you can do inside. So now you know what to do, and I'm looking forward to see you online, and you are very welcome to subscribe on my website.